In this 60-second tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw on a lash map. So Tiffany, she's coming in for her refill, so I'm going to copy the same design that she came in with last time. So we're going to do an eye-opening effect. So I'm just going to start off by putting on the longest lengths. So 11 and 11, get the longest lengths in first. That way it helps you keep it even on both sides. Then we'll come in with our 10s and our 10s, 10s and 10s. 9s, 9s, and then we'll finish off with some 9s on the outer edge, and then we'll drop it all the way down to 7. So 8 and 7, 8 and 7, and then you can go in and draw your numbers. 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7,